So in this video, I'll show you how to set up a Deliveroo account in Ireland so you can get your favorite food delivered. So first, go to the Deliveroo website or download the Deliveroo app from the App Store or Google Play. Tap on Sign Up to start your account. Next, enter your email address, create a password, and fill in your name and phone number. Be sure to set your location to Ireland to see nearby restaurant options. Once your information is entered, Deliveroo will then send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter your code to confirm the account. And that's it. You're now ready to browse through local restaurants and place your first order with Deliveroo in Ireland.